Hello there, this is Kaur from Speak Smartly with Kaur, and as you all guys know that I love to post videos related to learning English. So today that is why I'm here. I'm gonna post one video related to learning English, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to learn English alone at home. Yes, you heard me right. Because many of you guys don't have many friends who really want to learn English, and even many of you guys don't have good environment to learn English. So that is why it's good to talk to yourself, and it's good to learn English alone at home. And I know that it's very expensive to learn English by spending a lot of money on offline classes. I know that it's expensive and many of you guys can't afford it. Even I can't afford it. I was not able to afford it. That is why I used to learn English alone. Okay, I'm repeating one thing, that I learned English alone. How to learn English alone? I just repeating one word, alone, alone, alone. And why I'm repeating this? Because it's possible, and learned I learn at my own, so that at my own. Okay, so that is why I am telling to all of you that you guys can also learn. If I can, why can't you? So the tip number one is just mimic the persons who are talking in English. Just be like a parrot who mimics everyone. Okay, for example, many of you guys maybe have pet in their homes, and many of the pets, sorry, parrots, they like to talk, or they just talk to their owners. So they just mimic yourself. Okay, they just mimics yourself. For example, we say something. काफ़ी घरों में ऐसा होता है कि उनका एक पैरट रखा होता है जो उनको ही मिमिक करता है, मतलब जो भी वो उसके सामने बोलते हैं वो उसी चीज़ को दोबारा से प्रोनाउंस करता है, उसी चीज़ को बोलता है. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट यू गाइज हैव टू बी. ओके, यू गाइज हैव टू बी. आपको वो पैरट बनना है जो दूसरों को मिमिक करता है. For example, you have listened something in English, like you have listened one video in English, and now you have to repeat those things with whatever you have listened. And this is how you are gonna be a parrot. Okay, so just try to be that, just try to become that parrot. Okay, who mimics everyone. Try to uh, try to repeat the things, like whatever you are listening in English. Okay, try to repeat that. And this is the thing which is gonna work on your pronunciation skills. Okay, and now the next thing is, if you guys can, just try to talk to yourself. Try to talk to yourself. And why I'm saying like this, maybe many of you guys might be thinking that if you guys will talk to yourself, it might be crazy. It would look like crazy, like maybe many of your family members think that you have lost your mind. But it doesn't matter. If you're working on your pronunciation, if you're working on your English skills, if you really want to improve your speaking, if you really want to brush up your communication skills, so you have to do it. You have to do speaking. Okay, you have to talk to yourself, and it's gonna help you a lot. And why I'm saying that talking to yourself is gonna help you a lot, because whenever you talk something in English, or whenever you talk about something in English, so at that time your tongue will work. Okay, your vocal sections will work on English. So when you will try to talk to yourself, you will create environment around you. Okay, and creating environment for learning English is going to help you. Okay, so try to talk to yourself in English. For example, you are doing something, so try to talk about that thing to yourself in English. For example, you are kneading the floor, आप आटा गूंद रहे हो, so इस चीज़ को इंग्लिश में बोलो, आई एम kneading the floor. अगर आप आटा छान रहे हो तो उसको कहो, आई एम शिफ्टिंग द फ्लावर. और अगर आप सब्जियों को चॉप कर रहे हो तो यू कुड से दैट आई एम चॉपिंग द वेजिटेबल्स, आई एम कटिंग द वेजिटेबल्स. अगर आप आलू को छील रहे हो तो आप कह सकते हो आई एम पीलिंग द पोटैटोज. ओके, अगर आप टोमेटो कट कर रहे हो तो आप कह सकते हो आई एम चॉपिंग द टोमेटो, और आई एम कटिंग द टोमेटो. Okay, so this is how you are gonna learn English. Try to talk about everything, whatever you are doing, try to talk about that thing in English. Okay, try to talk about your work in English. And this is the thing which is going to help you a lot. It is gonna work on your pronunciation, it is gonna work on your way of structuring sentences, and this is how you are gonna learn how to make sentences in a right way. Sorry, because whenever you will struct any sentence, so at that time you will get to know how to uh, make a good sentence, or how to make a right sentence. Okay, how to make that sentence in a structure. Okay, and at that time you are gonna learn grammatical rules about structuring the sentences. Okay, firstly, definitely you will make sentences in a wrong way, because you are not perfect. Even I was not perfect. Even I am not perfect right now, but I am trying to work on myself. Okay, I'm working. I am also a learner like you. I'm not saying that I am fluent enough in English, but I can make sentences at my own. Okay, I can have conversations with others in English. Sometimes I also fumble while speaking in English because it's not my mother tongue. Okay, so I fumble. Even I am fumbling sometimes in this video. Sometimes I'm thinking that now what should I do, or what should I have to speak about, what should I have to speak, but I am speaking in front of the camera, and it helped me a lot to learn English. Okay, so the next step is record yourself. Okay, and recording yourself is also gonna help you a lot. Okay, if you really want to improve your English in a very less time, so try to record yourself in English. And recording yourself is gonna help you a lot. And how? Because whenever you will record yourself in English, then you will listen that, then you will get to know that how many mistakes you are making, and where you are pronouncing any word in a wrong way, and where you are structuring the sentence in a wrong way. So at that time, after listening to yourself, you are gonna correct yourself, you are gonna correct your mistakes. So definitely you will catch your mistakes after listening to yourself. So try to record yourself. It helped me a lot, that is why I'm talking about this thing. Okay, आपको इन टिप्स के बारे में कोई नहीं बताएगा। मे बी मतलब काफ़ी लोगों ने बताया भी होगा, मैं ये नहीं करी कि सिर्फ मैंने ही बताया, काफ़ी लोगों ने बताया भी होगा। बट ये जो लास्ट टिप है, लाइक रिकॉर्डिंग योर सेल्फ, ये बहुत ही कम लोग बताते हैं, बिकॉज इट्स नो सीक्रेट। ये एक सीक्रेट है जिससे आप अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हो बहुत ही कम समय में। सो अगर आप इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हो बहुत ही कम समय में, तो अपने आप को रिकॉर्डिंग करना शुरू करो। ट्राई टू रिकॉर्ड योर सेल्फ इन इंग्लिश। ओके, एंड दिस इज़ द टिप, दिस इज़ द सीक्रेट टिप, okay, which is gonna help you a lot. Thank you, that's all for today. And if you have learned something from this video, or this video helped you, or if this video is helped you, so then please like it, share it with your friends who are eager to learn English. Okay, who really wanna get grips with English.